Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can pin posts on Pinterest. So you can either select the image you want to pin for a few seconds and drag your finger to pin it, and you can either put it in a board you already have, or you can press create board and create a board there, create the name, etc. But as you can see, I already have a Valorant board, so I'm just going to pin it there. I don't know why Pinterest is very glitchy, but or you can click on it, and I think, where do you pin it? Yeah, you press the save one. So for instance, I want to save this. So press the save, and then you can save to board, and it'll pin it to your board. I'm so sorry. I don't know why my Pinterest is so glitchy. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!